Hi students. So today I am going to solve the problem of it is question number 6 here. So what it contains all of you see here, that is sixth question. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? See students here, present the room temperature is how much? It is a 40 degrees Celsius. It is the temperature of the room at the present situation. Now what happens here? The temperature is lowered 5 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, here the temperature is lowered 5 degrees Celsius per hour. So in this question what they are asking here, so after 10 hours what is the room temperature? What is the room temperature after 10 hours? They are asking the question for us students. See, the present temperature of the room is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the temperature is lowered 5 degrees Celsius per hour. For 10 hours is how much becomes? It becomes a 5 into 10 becomes 50. Okay, here the lowered means here we have to do the here we have to take the temperature as a minus. That is, here lowered means the temperature goes on decreasing here. Decreasing means here we have to take this one as a minus. Understood? So minus into 10 becomes how much? Becomes minus 50. After that we have, if we add both these, you will get the answer. Understood students, all of this one? So now let me solve this one students. Present, let me write the sentence here. Present room temperature. Present room temperature. How much it is? 40 degree Celsius. Next, decreasing. Okay, decreasing every hour. Decreasing every hour is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, next, decreasing every hour 5 degrees Celsius. Next, room temperature. This one I am going to shortcut as a temp. Okay, temp means it is temperature. Room temperature after 10 hours is equal to, see students here, this 40 right as it is. Okay, 40 degrees Celsius plus 10 into minus 5 degrees Celsius. As I told before, if the temperature goes on decreasing, here you take this temperature as a minus. Okay, so next 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, plus see here, plus into minus, how much it becomes? Plus into minus, it becomes minus. Okay, so it is a minus 10 5 is a 50 degrees Celsius. So here both the numbers are different and it means here we have to do the subtraction. That is 50 minus 40, how much comes? It comes 10 degrees Celsius, and the bigger number as sign as a minus. That way we have to put this one as a minus. Okay, so therefore room temperature after 10 hours is equal to minus 10 degree Celsius. So this is the solution for the sixth problem. Let me solve the next one students. See the seventh problem students, all of here. In a class test containing 10 questions, okay, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Okay, so what are the sub questions? See here, first sub question is that Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? Second sub question, Reshima gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Next, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempted. What is her score? So these are the sub questions of 7th problem. Okay students. So now let me solve the problem, this one. See here, that is the 7th one students here. Seventh problem. For correct answer, what is the how much marks they given here? For correct answer, 5 marks. Okay, 5 marks. And for incorrect answer, how much they given? -2 marks. Okay, -2 marks. And for not attempting, how much they given? 0 marks they given here, students. Okay, so these are the given datas in that problem. So first sub question, see here, Mohan's total score. Mohan's total score is equal to, how much is scored? 4 correct plus 6 incorrect. Okay, 6 incorrect. Okay, so 4 into, for correct answer how much they given marks here? 5. Okay, for incorrect, 6 into bracket -2. 4 right as it is. For correct answer how much marks? 5. And plus right as it is, 6 into, for incorrect, -2. Understood? So next, 4 5 is 20, and plus into minus, 6 2s are 12. So 20 minus 12, how much comes? It is 8 comes. So this is the total score achieved by Mohan. Okay, see the second problem, students. Here, second question, Reshma's score is equal to 5 correct answer. Okay, 5 correct plus 5 incorrect. Okay, 5 correct and 5 incorrect. It means 5 into, for correct answer 5, and for 5 how much they given? -2 given. 5 5 is 25, plus into minus 10, and 15 is her score. So the next, third one, students, here, third sub question, Hina's score is equal to 2 correct plus 5 incorrect. Okay, for correct answer how much marks? 5 marks. Okay, next, 5 into bracket, for in bracket -2. Okay, 10 plus into minus, friends, 10. Okay, 10 minus 10, it is a 0. So she earned only 0 marks, and Reshma earned 15 marks. So these are the solution for the 7th